All right, let's take a look at a problem that a student was asking about. How do you look at these graphs and situations and like turn it into equations and things like that? So that's what we're going to look at here. In this example, go ahead and read through what you see here so you know what's going on in the situation. Okay, so an equation that represents the cost as a function of the number of guests. So we're almost always going to use y equals mx plus b as our format for these. That is a b. And remember that y is the cost. Like that's going to be your total, right? That's going to be your amount here. And so cost is a function of the number of guests. So think about what it's going to cost. It's going to cost $18 for every single person that comes, plus the $200 that you pay for the caterer, no matter what. All right. So that is the equation for this problem. 18x plus 200 equals y, or y equals 18x plus 200. Okay. The slope and the y-intercept. Well, the slope is m. So the slope is 18. And describe their meanings. So what does that mean? That means for every person that is served, you're going to pay another $18. So the slope is saying this is going to increase $18. The cost is going to increase $18 for every person served. The y-intercept is the 200. And you can see it here. All right, this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis, and on the y-axis we're at 0, 200. We start at 200, and that, what does that mean? That means that even if the caterer doesn't serve anybody, just for showing up, it's $200. So the $200 is even if there are 0 people served. That's your starting point, your price point. Okay. And then C, find the cost of catering an event for 200 guests. So we're going to take our equation, y equals 18x plus 200, and notice that x is the number of people. And so if there are 200 people there, then we're going to substitute the x with the value in this problem is 200 people. So plus 200. So I'm just substituting that x with what it equals in this example. All right, so 18 times 2 is 36, and that's 100 plus 200. So the cost is $3,800 for serving 200 guests. All right, I hope that helps. And let me know if you want to see more of these linear equations.